DIY cardboard object making videos are going absolutely viral on social media right now. And here is the most impressive part about this niche. Nobody watching these videos can tell for a single second that they were created using AI. Look at this Instagram page. 93.4 thousand followers, built purely by posting this one exact style of content. And some of their videos are already sitting at 2 million, 1.6 million, and 1.2 million views. Now, watch what I personally created with AI in just 5 minutes. No time wasted. Here is exactly how you can create these for completely free right now. Now, open ChatGPT and type, "Provide me 10 cinematic AI DIY crafting videos idea." And hit enter, and within seconds, ChatGPT will serve you a well-thought-out list of creative and highly engaging object ideas. Go through them and pick the one that feels the most visually interesting and satisfying to watch being built. Now head to the description below and open the master prompt file I've already written for you. Copy the entire prompt from start to finish, every single word of it. Now open Google Flow and make sure the video option is selected from the top. Choose OmniFlash as your video model and set all your other desired settings the way you like them. Paste the full prompt directly into the field. Now go back to ChatGPT, copy your chosen object idea and paste it inside the designated object section within the prompt. Once everything is perfectly in place, hit generate. And in just a few seconds, your viral DIY cardboard object making video will be sitting right in front of you, completely finished and ready to post. Now let's watch the full result together. So that's the complete method. Subscribe to the channel right now so you never miss out on the newest viral AI niches the moment they drop.